Welcome, fellow stargazers. October 2024 offers a celestial treat with stunning deep sky objects visible in both the northern and southern hemispheres. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and visit our partner, Astronomy Emporium, for the best stargazing gear. Today, we'll explore the top 15 must-see sights in our night sky, perfect for amateur astronomers and seasoned professionals alike. Let's dive in. We begin with the famous Andromeda Galaxy, NGC 224, the nearest spiral galaxy to our own Milky Way. It's one of the brightest deep sky objects visible to the naked eye in dark skies. This magnificent galaxy lies in the constellation Andromeda, best located by finding the Great Square of Pegasus, then following the stars of Andromeda northward. It's a sight you don't want to miss this October. In the southern hemisphere, the small Magellanic Cloud, a satellite galaxy of the Milky Way, offers a beautiful irregular patch of light in the sky. It's located near the constellation Tucana and is best found using the Southern Cross as a guide, then looking eastward toward Tucana. It's visible to the naked eye and even more stunning with binoculars. Next is the ethereal Phantom Galaxy, also known as Messier 74. This face-on spiral galaxy is located in the constellation Pisces. It's a bit faint, so use a telescope and find it by tracing the constellation's curved line of stars just east of Jupiter this October. The Saturn Nebula, or NGC 7009, is a planetary nebula in the constellation Aquarius. Named for its resemblance to Saturn's shape, it shines in beautiful blues and greens. Look for it southeast of Aquarius's brightest star, Sadalsud, and it's best viewed through a telescope. For observers in the southern hemisphere, the NGC 362 globular cluster in Tucana offers a dazzling view of tightly packed stars. It's located near the small Magellanic Cloud and is easily found using binoculars or a small telescope. The Triangulum Galaxy, or NGC 598, is a small spiral galaxy in the northern hemisphere's constellation Triangulum. Locate it by drawing an imaginary line from the Andromeda Galaxy down to Triangulum, and you'll catch this beautiful galaxy. A telescope will reveal its stunning spiral arms. The double cluster, consisting of NGC 869 and NGC 884 in Perseus, is one of the Northern Hemisphere's crown jewels. It's visible to the naked eye in dark skies and breathtaking in binoculars or a wide-field telescope. To find it, trace a line from Cassiopeia toward Perseus, and you'll see this pair of glittering star clusters. In the constellation Pegasus, the NGC 7331 galaxy is an unbarred spiral galaxy often considered a twin to our Milky Way. It's a bit faint, so use a telescope and look for it just north of the Great Square of Pegasus. In the constellation Andromeda, the Blue Snowball Nebula, or NGC 7662, shines like a small blue disk. Use a telescope to see its glowing cyan hue and locate it by moving a bit south of Andromeda's main stars. Visible from the southern hemisphere, the NGC 300 spiral galaxy lies in the constellation Sculptor. It's a face-on spiral galaxy, easily seen through binoculars. Find it by looking toward the Southern Cross, then tracking eastward towards Sculptor. Another gem for southern observers is the Sculptor Galaxy, also known as NGC 253. It's one of the brightest galaxies and is located in the constellation Sculptor. It's best viewed with a telescope and can be found by tracing a line southeast from the constellation Phoenix. The California Nebula, or NGC 1499, is a large emission nebula in the constellation Perseus. Its reddish glow is best seen in long-exposure photographs, but you can spot it with a telescope just below the Pleiades cluster in October's night sky. In the constellation Cepheus, the Cave Nebula offers a complex mix of dark dust lanes and glowing gas. Use a telescope to see this faint object and locate it just west of Cassiopeia in the northern sky. The M2 globular cluster in Aquarius is one of the oldest and largest known. It's easy to find using binoculars or a telescope just east of the bright star Saddle Melik in the constellation Aquarius. Our final deep sky object is the Helix Nebula, NGC 7293, visible from both hemispheres. This stunning planetary nebula, sometimes called the Eye of God, is located in Aquarius. Find it southwest of Fomalhaut, and through a telescope you'll see its incredible ring structure. There you have it, 15 incredible deep sky objects to explore this October. Whether you're in the northern or southern hemisphere, there's a wealth of wonders waiting in the night sky. So grab your binoculars, set up your telescope, and enjoy the beauty of the cosmos. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the Astronomy Emporium website for more amazing astronomy content. Clear skies and happy stargazing.